Hello and welcome buddies. In this video we are going to discuss about the control flow statement. What is control flow statement, why we should use control flow statement in Dart, and how many type of control flow statement are available in Dart. So basically control flow statement is used to control the flow of your program. Basically it will decide the flow of your program. So control flow, by the name of control flow statement, you can assume this statement will identify where your program goes, or which code will run and which code will not run, or it will decide the flow of your program. Let's understand by the example. So just assume you are making a system which will identify the users is eligible for the voting or not. So first you will take input user's age by the user, and after the input you will calculate, or you will find the user is eligible for the vote or not. For this you will just add a condition: users age are greater than or equal to 18. This means user is eligible for the voting, else user is not eligible for the voting. So here you use if and else statement. So this is coming in the control flow statement, and by using this statement if else you can calculate. So there are many more conditions where you will use control flow statement. There are many more control flow statement are available in Dart. We will see one by one. For now I have just given you one example what is control flow statement and when we will use control flow statement. Let's see how many type of control flow statement are available in Dart and when we can use. So let's see by the examples. So this is a definition of control flow statement. Control statement or flow of control statements are used to control the flow of Dart, whatever I explained to you. So these are the following type of control flow statement are available in Dart. So first of all, decision making statement, second looping statement, and third one is jump statement. So in the decision making statement, if else condition and switch case are coming. In the looping statement, while, do while and for loop are coming. In the jump statement, break and continue are coming. So in this video I just explained you what is control flow and how many type of control flow statement are available in Dart. In the next video we will cover one by one if else statement, switch statement, while, do while, for and break continue statement. So let's meet in the next video with the example and code.